Okay, coking.
We're coking.
You've got lots on the camera as well. It's hard to really get purchase on this. Oh, sorry, I just ran everywhere with it. Such a...
What?
It seems to be leaking somewhere. No, it's got a hole. It's got a hole. No, it's got a hole.
Where's that from?
It's just a...
What? Do you need help?
Well, if we can get that hole above the reservoir level. Oh no, that tape's going to come off the wall really soon. I'm not really sure what to do now. No. Oh, no. It's going to be really sticky in the morning.
Can I help at all?
I'm just going to...
I'm going to pause this.
Sellotape.
You can't possibly fix this on your own.